फिल्म की कहानी है एक म्यूजिशियन के बारे में, एक स्ट्रगलिंग म्यूजिशियन के बारे में, जो कि अपनी लाइफ को, अपने करियर को, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को बैलेंस नहीं कर सकता, और that is how he kind of makes a mistake.
I play Zara. I play the love interest. I'm one of the blunders that he has made, and he's trying to fix it. Zara is a character that I think everyone can relate with, or at least every girl can relate with, where you feel like you have given someone a lot of chances and you love them, but you know they're not going to change. So it's kind of like, I feel like every girl is going to be able to relate with Zara's character.
I think people will relate to it as following a career in arts. You kind of face certain challenges, और कहानी is situated around those challenges, and that is how he kind of makes a mistake, और उसके क्या consequences हैं वो आप देखेंगे फिल्म के अंदर.
I've known Saram for a very, very long time. We met each other about 6 years back. We collaborated on small projects, but a project on this scale was never been done before.
We were planning to collaborate on a project for the last few years, लेकिन कभी कोई ऐसा project, कोई ऐसा script नहीं आया जिस पे that kind of excited me and Hassan at the same time. एक विजन हमारा नहीं मिला कभी कि हम किसी चीज़ पे collaborate कर सकें.
One day I get a call from Saram saying that he's deciding to go for a film.
So he has a very parallel cinema approach. On the other hand, my approach is very commercial cinema approach.
We would spend a lot of time strategizing before the shoot. And Saram is a type of person who's very picky for what he's looking for. We went back and forth, and you know, I think the whole best part of this film was that it was how we actually developed the chemistry, and we somehow in some way met in the middle, where you know, I wanted to experiment with certain shots, and also get his vision across.
So where Saram comes in as the person who has a vision, Hassan was the one to implement it. He was really good with the technical aspect and with the photography, and knowing exactly what a scene called for. So where Saram came in as the good cop, Hassan was the bad cop, and he was strict when he had to be, and he was direct and critical when he had to be. And I feel like the team really needed that, and I needed that as an actor to completely do justice to the scene that I was performing.
And I think the way he has executed my vision, especially because I was in front of camera for the most part, and so he was kind of taking care of the back end, and he was executing everything. So I think he was a great add to the team, and he has executed this film beautifully. This is the first time actually the second time I'm sharing screen with my dad, and this is the very first time I'm directing my dad.
एक लंबे अरसे के बाद मैं ये नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर करने जा रहा था. बहुत पहले अर्ली 90s में मैंने पीटीवी के लिए एक नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर किया था. उसके बाद मैं कॉमेडी की तरफ ज़्यादा माइल हो गया था. लेकिन जब मैं टीम के साथ नरेशन पे बैठा और मैंने कैरेक्टर पढ़ा तो मुझे बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग लगा कैरेक्टर.
And I think being a veteran actor of Pakistani industry, he brings great experience to the screen, and we learned a lot from him. Everyone learned a lot from him on the set, and you know, he was kind of guiding us throughout the whole process. The character he's playing, Sultan, the bad guy of the film, I think people are going to love that character. So the leading lady of the film, the character of Zara, is played by Anika. This was my very first time working with her. I had a great time. She's very professional, very dedicated, very committed.
Saram was really good. He's I don't think people realize how much work goes into being turning into a character. He was super professional, super accommodating, and he helped me through all of the phases of Zara and what I needed. So our chemistry that way worked out really well.
She's very easy to work with, and she's very talented, very committed, very involved throughout the process.
So again, this is my first time working with Saram and his team, and like I said, it did not feel like the first time. We got completely comfortable with the scenes and with each other right off the bat, so everything just flowed more naturally.
I think the way I imagined Zara, she brought that to screen very beautifully, and people will see that.
It was really good. Saram is really good as a director and as an actor, so he's a pleasure to work with, beside on screen and off screen.
Working with Saram as a director is very hard. And I think okay, I have not been around too many directors. Saram is a very picky person. He's not gonna let it go until he doesn't get what he wants. As a co-actor, working with him as an actor, acting with Saram is just like now I have to act in front of a person who is director who knows this in and out. So it's like I have to impress him. You know, it gets to that point कि यार मैंने उसको impress करना है.
It was a phenomenal experience. I think that every single actor, from Zuhair Uncle, Saram, to Anika, played a very, very, very important role in shaping the film the way it is, because I think performance is very key. What I liked most about all of them were that they were so prepared when they used to come on set, and you know, we had a great time shooting. And interesting thing was that whenever, you know, I felt like there's something that's missing, the actors will point out themselves that ek aur take karte hain sir, ek aur take karte hain. So, you know, this shows that how much every single person was so deeply invested into this project and how they wanted to get the best out of it. So I think overall it was a great experience working with everyone. Everyone was professional, and I had fun time shooting with everyone.
You can have a very good story, very good script, very good performances, but when it comes to execution, you need a very good team. And I've been very lucky कि इस दफ़ा एक बहुत अच्छी team बनी. Everyone was very dedicated, very passionate about this project.
You could just tell that everyone wanted this project to be amazing from like the bottom of their heart, and you could see it on the screen.
ये शायद पहली दफ़ा था कि मैं एक ऐसी टीम के साथ काम कर रहा था जिसमें सारे ही यंगस्टर थे.
As a production manager, I was very lucky कि टीम बहुत डेडिकेटेड और बहुत अच्छी थी.
इन यंगस्टर्स की एनर्जी लेवल और कमिटमेंट देखकर मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हुआ. हमारे शर्मा का फ्यूचर ब्राइट हाथों में है.
मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा इस फिल्म में, जो प्रोड्यूसर ज़ुहैर जाफरी और सारम जाफरी और जितनी भी टीम हमारे साथ काम कर रही थी, वेरी डेडिकेटेड और बहुत कंफर्टेबल होकर मैंने काम किया. इस स्केल पे काम किया कि मैं बहुत देर से ऐसी टीम ढूंढ रहा था.
The commitment was amazing. You know, there was times where we were on set till 4 a.m. in the morning, and that just shows everyone's commitment and their passion to execute and to do a project this big.
Everyone, Omi, Taimur, Hassan, Shahryar, Jimmy, Almas, Harman, Sheroz, Matthew, Shehbaz, everyone was so into it, and I think that is why we were kind of able to execute this project and bring that grandness to the project. And I think this project is one of its kind, and you know, it's all thanks to the team behind it.
You know, all I can say is that the team that we have right now, it's one of the best teams that I can have as an assistant director, because every single person is so talented in their own way. And they contribute to making the film the way it is.
You will be surprised. People are going to be surprised to see that ऐसा काम हो रहा है, and it's amazing because I was a part of it. You know, I can't even tell you how amazed I was every time when I was on the set and everything, and my mind was blown. I was like, man.
From production to actors, to everything that is on this film, like this is something that has never been done before in any way. If you look at it in the past, say 3-4 years, you see a lot of content that is being made, whether it's YouTube, Facebook. But doing a film on this scale, especially as independent filmmakers, is a great challenge. And I think that this film has done a great job executing the film in a very professional and cinema standard.
I think that everyone should go watch this film because I feel like there's something in it for everyone. There is drama, there is romance, there is action, and it is an ode, a tribute to the movies that came before it in South Asian cinema and theater. and I think people will be able to identify with a lot of the characters.
The film title is One Last Shot, but I'm pretty sure it's not the last shot. There are many shots to come. We have something in the works. As of now, I just want to make sure that this film itself, the amount of hard work we put in, reaches a success. But definitely, I am definitely working with Saram and Anika for the future, and I'm looking forward to working with them more in the future projects.
I'm very excited for my projects coming up with SJ Productions. We have a short film that I'm actually writing and starring in, and we have a web series and another film. I'm very excited to continue on this journey.